Oh, where they go, Mutiara from the outside has it coming Bangay Mike's dancer. Doña Leonora also rushing up his Bangay Badral Doña Nene. My Chemical Romance double O second last and risk taker is running at the tail of the field. Mutiara by ahead. Mike's dancer on the outside. Doña Leonora is racing to rushing up his My Chemical Romance Bangge sneaking by the has it coming double O as they raise the last 450. Mike's dancer on the outside. Mutiara Bangge is sneaking by the My Chemical Romance on the outside. Doña Leonora has it coming double O. Mike's dancer by the Mutiara Bangge on the outside and double O. Mike's dancer Bangge Mutiara double O. And finally Mike's dancer Bangge Mutiara double O. And has it coming for your Pentafecta.
Okay, 9251 ang ating unofficial